In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new background in Remove.bg. If you've ever wanted to swap a busy backdrop for a clean color or place your subject onto a new scene, this quick process will get you there in minutes. First, head to the Remove.bg website in your browser. You don't need any special software, it all runs online. Have the photo you want to edit saved on your computer so it's easy to access. On the home page, click Upload Image and choose your photo. For best results, pick a picture where your subject stands out clearly from the background. Good contrast and sharp edges help the tool separate things accurately. You can also drag and drop the file onto the page if that's faster for you. Now give it a moment while the background is removed automatically. Behind the scenes, Remove.bg uses AI to isolate the subject. This usually takes just a few seconds and you'll see a preview as soon as it's done. Take a quick look at fine details like hair or edges so you know the cutout looks the way you expect. Next, click Edit to open the background options. This is where you'll add your new backdrop. You'll see two simple choices. Under color, you can pick a solid background. White is great for product shots and resumes, while blue, gray, or brand colors can make social posts and thumbnails pop. Try a few swatches and watch how the subject stands out differently with each one. If you want a more creative look, switch to photo and upload your own background image. Choose a high-resolution file so it stays crisp and aim for a background with lighting and perspective that match your original photo. That way, your subject feels naturally placed. Neutral, uncluttered scenes often work best, and subtle textures can add depth without stealing attention. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your image. Select the size that fits your use case, whether that's for web, presentations, or print, and note where your browser stores the file so you can find it easily later. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've removed the old background and added a new one using either a solid color or your own image. Experiment with different colors and photos to see what complements your subject, and you'll quickly develop an eye for combinations that look clean, professional, and ready to share.